play a game, and this is a sound blending game.
Yes. Okay. So now we want to stand up. Now I will
Come and stand here. Yes.
Now I will tell you a sound and you need to go near that. You have to find that. Now shh. Sh.
Shh. Where is shh?
Yes,
Very good.
Correct. Now
Keep standing here. Next.
very good.
So this is which sound? Speak, Vivan. Shh. Nahi. Which sound are you standing on?
Now
Very good. Next.
Now ow. Whoa.
Yes. So what did you tell us? Ow. Which letters make ow sound?
O-U.
O-U and
O-W.
very
Very
good.
good. Now tuck. Very
Shabash.
good. Now whoa. Very good. Now cha. Cha. Very
Shabash.
good. And last sound is the.
The. Very
Yes.
good.
So TH makes two sounds, that is th and
th नहीं बोलना, गाना नहीं गाना. Th.
and
The. Okay, now line wise. Come here.
Now you need
Which sound is this?
ow.
Next.
W.
W and H make which sound? W.
Very
Next.
F.
Not for. How do you say this? Next.
Ow.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Shabash. Chalo, let's continue.